3-ball juggling. Okay, so by now you've gotten comfortable with the one going back and forth, and then the two going left to right and right to left, and now you are ready for 3-ball juggling. Remember, you can go back to any of those other steps at any time. It is okay, especially if you find yourself dropping a lot, then always just go back to one of those other steps and then you can get more comfortable. So with 3-ball juggling, we're gonna start with 2 in one hand and 1 in the other hand. It does not matter which is which, and it's actually important that you take turns practicing on each so that you get comfortable with both sides. And so whichever hand you have the 2 in, you're gonna nominate 1 as the 1 ball. The hand with the 1 is going to be the 2 ball. And then the other 1 in your 2-ball hand is going to be the 3-ball. So when you count 1 for blue, 2 for green, and 3 for the purple or the clear, however you see it in this video, that is going to be how I do my 3-ball juggling. And what you'll notice is that those are going to stay the same the entire time. Your throws are not going to change. Exactly what you were just doing with the 2, you are going to keep it that way for 3. You're just adding a 3rd ball. So here we go. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 in the exact same order the whole time, and your throws will be exactly what you have been practicing. Give it a try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If you notice, the blue is always going first, the green is always going second, and that clear is always going third. I'm keeping in the same order, and when the 1 goes up into the top, I'm throwing the next 1. The comfortable rhythm is bound to get more comfortable as you practice, and if you are dropping a bunch of times, you are still a juggler. Remember, that's amazing. We are proud of you, and part of 3-ball juggling is just getting comfortable with that rhythm. I'm going to show you in juggler speak what 1 full round looks like. When you are able to juggle the same amount that you have, then you have completed 1 full rotation. So at the very least, if you can do 1, 2, 3 and catch all of those, you will have completed 1 full rotation of the juggling, which is very impressive. However, I encourage you to keep going and not get comfortable with catching, because that's how you get really skilled in being able to continue that 3-ball juggling. So go for it. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Practice. And remember, that's amazing.